Hi, I'm Josh from Georgia College. In this video I'll be discussing mnemonics and tooltips and some of their uses in Java. So what's the point? While mnemonics and tooltips are not required elements of any program, they can certainly benefit them. Mnemonics provide ease of use to your users by allowing them to select items using their keyboard rather than just their mouse. Tooltips can be beneficial in providing a short explanation to the user about what a certain selection or button might do. So what are they? A mnemonic is a key that you press while holding down the Alt key to interact with a component, or in other words, a keyboard shortcut. A tooltip is text that is displayed in a small box when the user holds the mouse cursor over a component. In the images below you can see a mnemonic on the X and the exit button on the left, and the tooltip in the picture to the right. Mnemonics, sometimes referred to as shortcut keys or hotkeys, allow users to interact using both the mouse and the keyboard. You assign a mnemonic to a component using the component's setMnemonic method, as shown below. As stated earlier, a tooltip is text that is displayed in a small box when the user holds the mouse over a component. It usually gives a short description of what the component does. You assign a tooltip to a component with the setTooltipText method, as shown below. In this example, I've created 3 radio buttons as options and added them to my frame. Since this is a lesson on mnemonics and tooltips and not Swing as a whole, I'll only be focusing on the code relevant to this video. Here you can see my 3 radio buttons entitled option 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Underneath each radio button you can also see the code used to set their mnemonics and tooltips. In order to set the mnemonic to a different key, the only thing you should worry about right now is changing the character following the underscore in the argument. For instance, if I wanted to change the mnemonic from option 1 from 1 to the letter O, I would simply change the 1 to a capital O. Now I'm going to go ahead and run the program. While none of the buttons are set to actually do anything, this demonstration should be more than enough to give you an understanding of how these two features work. Now, when I mouse over option 1, I get the tooltip for option 1, and the same follows for options 2 and 3. The underline underneath the 1, 2, and 3 represent the mnemonics for each option. Now, I could sit here and select each one with the mouse, or I could move the mouse away and use my Alt 1, 2, or 3 to select the options like that. Well, that wraps up my discussion on mnemonics and tooltips. As always, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below, and be sure to subscribe if you'd like to be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.